Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We just got this house right here. Yesterday was my birthday and we put an offer in this house when we bought the other one last week, and our offer was accepted and we closed on my birthday. Guys, I'm making a video, guys. So anyways, we don't have the keys to get in right now. We just called our realtor to try to get us the keys to get into this one right here, into the house that we just bought. We closed on it yesterday, May 14th, on my birthday. So we are really excited to start working on this one as well. We just added our 10th house so far. So we are really happy. Here is the side of the house. Here, there's a little shed over here. Take you guys to it. There's a little shed right here. That's the neighbor's car. So there's a little shed or garage, whatever. It's locked as well. Here's the side of the house. You see it? Really beautiful house. So I will be doing a house tour when we finally get the keys to get into here. I love this brick wall on the chimney. It's really nice and solid. Yeah, there are cats everywhere. So yeah, I wanted to come on here to let you guys know that we just got another house. Honey, get off the wall, please.
But be careful of the cat.
Yeah.
Because I'm allergic to
A cat's hair. Yes, honey, I'm allergic to animals' hair. Thank you, sweetie. So anyways, we are really excited to add this house to our portfolio. It's a beautiful big house. We're looking forward to taking you guys inside it to show you guys how it looks. Has a beautiful living room, a nice fireplace. So yeah, this is really awesome. And we are really happy to add this to our portfolio. So yeah, I hope you guys like this very short video. And I was really happy to close yesterday on my birthday. I wanted to really close on my birthday, and my realtor and everybody made it happen for us. I was really happy about that, and we thought we should come here today to look inside. We've been here a couple of times, but we don't have the keys, so we might be coming back here tomorrow or maybe during the weekend. So yeah, I hope you guys like this very short video. It's more like an announcement. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.